Okay. Ah, I spilled the soda!
All over.
Son of a bitch!
What up, y'all? We're back from the dump. We did our chores that we had to do.
Some of them.
We got a little busy on the frame last time. We didn't do a good job of recording it. In doing so, we made an absolute mess in our shop. So we're going to have media everywhere for eternity, I guess.
Yeah. Good thing it's really good for you.
Yeah, yeah.
It's good to ingest it.
What is that, silica poisoning?
Silicosis.
Yeah, it makes your lungs feel all happy inside and stuff.
I feel better since I've been doing it.
Yeah, definitely wear respirators if you're going to sandblast anything.
Which we were doing.
Yes. Full disclosure, we were wearing the correct ones for silica poisoning. So,
disclaimer. Not intended as legal, or financial advice. Do not try this at home. Shake well before use. Batteries not included. Keep frozen until ready to serve. Has been known to cause birth defects. And lastly,
yeah, we've been sandblasting on the frame, wire wheeling our lives away, out here grinding, and yeah, basically our air compressor only sandblasts for like 2 minutes because it doesn't have the air capacity. So we're going to get a bigger one. We found a guy that wants to do a trade deal for a 60-gallon air compressor. We're going to trade him our small little one from Harbor Freight. So we're leveling up.
Show him that air compressor.
Yeah, let's show him. This is the air compressor right here. So this one doesn't do very good for anything cool.
It's a good air compressor. It's just too small.
Yeah, it's just too small. It doesn't have the capacity. The motor runs constantly. So we're going to get him one that's a 60-gallon, trading him for it, and go from there. Hopefully it works out for us because we still got to sandblast that whole cab, sandblast the bed. It needs body worked. It's got all these dents and whatnot. So take it all the way down to bare metal. Sandblasting is the way to do it.
Yes.
Yeah, and then we're pretty much done on the frame. We blasted these horns off for the leaf spring mounts right here.
Yeah.
We got new ones in today, so you guys will see us welding those all together, fixing that up.
In fact, we can show them right now.
Yeah, if we could, yeah. Go outside before the heat comes in.
Check it out. Yeah. Now we're outside. And we got these bad boys. Open that bad boy up.
Yeah, so we got two. There it is. Oh, it's
was it sitting in the sun?
So this is it. You see where the rust was? There's no rust now because they're new. So, yeah, weird theory, I know.
Car basics with
It's really hot, so we're going to bring these inside here in a little bit.
Yeah.
Done burning myself on it. There's the old Honda.
Honda and the Nissan.
Yeah,
and
so
it's empty of garbage.
We got to go meet this guy for the air compressor.
Yep.
And then we're going to come here and finish up the frame probably off camera because you guys seen a lot of time lapse of that. We don't want to bore you guys with framework, so
no more time lapse.
Yeah.
That was the last time lapse you ever get from us.
No more. So yeah, we're just gonna plug away at this. We got like a half day left on this, we think. It'll be primed, and then probably gonna roll the cab in here and start blasting that, and then this lovely thing. So yeah.
Yes. Stay tuned.
Yeah, we got some upcoming stuff. We ordered a paint booth.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, our next video will be assembling that. We might make a video in and of itself about that. If anybody's curious about,
depends on how hard it is to set.
Yeah, exactly. It's one of those. I think it's a V4 inflatable. So we'll see.
Very legal, I'm sure.
It's supposed to meet all of the certifications for California.
Says as Amazon.
Yeah, as per Amazon.
Amazon is our overlord.
If anybody's curious about that paint booth, maybe you guys want to tune in and see if it's worth it. So yeah, hopefully we can erect it because it's 28 by 16 by 15 or something like that, and those lights are only like 10 feet. So,
whoa! I almost just tripped and killed myself.
And our pile of lawnmowers is going to go away, hopefully.
Yeah, we're gonna post these bad boys up.
Yeah.
Somebody's going to get some free Black Widows.
Yeah, those were shop rent for a few months. So,
we work on stuff here.
Yeah, so. All right, guys. Well, we're going to go get this air compressor, and we'll update you guys.
Yo, everybody. What's good? It's your boys, Sweaty and Dingus.
Sweaty and freaking Swamp Beep.
Swamp Beep.
Yes.
Nice.
Swamp Ass.
That way we don't have to actually edit us.
Yeah, we could just beep ourselves. Beep, beep, beep,
it's pretty easy, dude. We got the air compressor.
Yeah. Trade deal went through.
It's Skylar's truck, so he gets to undo everything, do the hard part.
Yeah. I like tying knots whenever we have ratchet straps.
Yeah, you know.
You know how to do.
It's the heat, and it takes it out of you.
Yeah.
Figure we'll just kick this out right on top of the
I was just trying to stay there longer and talk to that guy so we could buy that Camaro.
Yeah. Got a cool 4th gen Camaro.
It was only an LT1 car, but hey.
6-speed.
Yeah.
But this is his wife's car. Sentimental value. We said maybe sell it to us one day.
We said, hey, yeah, let
What we
us
didn't
buy
mention
that.
is that we're broke as beep.
We just said, we want to do big burnouts in Camaro. So, yeah.
Yeah, never-ending projects.
Either way, we got an air compressor. Needs a little work, but hey, trade deal for what we got. I think I paid $275 for that air compressor. And, yeah, this is much more expensive than $275.
Big boy.
We call it a deal.
A 4.5 horsepower engine.
Yeah, I think so. Maximum of
60 gallons.
Yeah, it's 60 gallons, like 175 psi or something like that. So
now we can sandblast till we're full.
Yeah, and it's
sand.
220. So
oh yeah,
yeah.
It sounds a little funny, but
it came with the awesome water separator and all that stuff.
You left all that stuff on there for us.
Yeah.
We took our water separator off.
We said no water separator for you, guy.
We're gonna need it.
Yeah.
He was a really cool guy.
So, yeah.
10 out of 10. Would do business again.
Yeah, maybe with a Camaro.
I'm gonna send him this video.
Let me buy your Camaro. Okay.
Do that one more time.
Let me buy your Camaro. As long as it has a clutch pedal and a posi track, I'm pretty sure it'll tickle our mullets, and we'll want it. So,
all right, Skyler looks like he's starting to work hard, so I better help him.
Yeah, I'm gonna let this just fall on top of me and pancake my ass. So
I don't have to work at the shop anymore.
Oh, I was kidding. Well, we got the air compressor going. Look at that, she's building PSI. So, yep, seems to be a certified ripper. What do you think, Seth? It's hot.
It's all sweat.
Yeah, it's all sweat.
Or just drenched.
No, it's high.
It's a whole puddle out here.
Yeah, this is our puddle. We've been sweating. No, it's what, 110, 112 today?
Yeah.
It's pretty hot, so we were just taking a break. Lunchtime, so yeah. Lunchtime at 4 o'clock, so.
Yeah, our bosses suck.
Yeah, we're almost done with the frame. We got that pulled off of the, I don't know, the cart thing we got going on, and then start on the cab, go from there. I got some work to do, welding and whatnot, those rear leaf perches, and then, yeah, we'll update you guys when we're done. Hello, you may be wondering why you're still here.
I am.
I know. Frame update.
Oh, we don't need that. That's for us. Don't show them production and stuff. Then we have to do a different take.
Yeah, that was bad.
The mask has been lifted. Did you flip off the camera?
Yeah.
Let's just leave it. Let's just roll it.
All right, so
this is adult content.
This is an adult content. So anyways, we got the leaf perches tack welded on, all fitted up. We got the frame down to bare metal. Finally.
Most of the way.
We're done.
He's getting there. Don't look too close.
Yeah, we got like little wire brush action, but hey, you know, it'll be primed tonight. That is the goal. So here's our lovely tacked on bits. We got to basically full weld them all the way around. It'll look real pimping when we're done. So.
We don't have the special GM rivet gun that they use.
Yeah, so that happens. Yeah, other than that, the sandblaster kind of started taking a crap on us. So
it blasts sand.
It blasts sand until it decides not to blast the sand anymore. So that's what happened from like this section back. So we'll get to wire wheel that, I guess. But other than that, the frame's done. Shop's a mess. As you can see, there's media all over the ground.
Media.
Yeah, so cool stuff. We'll
kind of organization are we running?
Yeah, I know, right? There's just dust everywhere.
Air compressor does a really good job, though.
Yeah, pretty impressed with that. So
taking a look at it. Wow.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
Yay. Yeah, we're exhausted. It's a hot day. Nothing we can do to keep the shop cool. So we're just out here working on it. So
yeah, the idea is that we'll get this frame all the way down. There's some detail work we still have to do in some places, but we're like 98% there. And then we will give it an acid bath and let it sit for any rust we can't really see or get to. And then we will clean it, and then we will prime it. And we should be all done.
Like that.
Exactly.
And then it'll be gray.
And then we give up on the project.
And then it'll be, oh, well, I can't tell you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you guys still got to guess that. Yeah, we'll update you guys as we go. So a lot of, unfortunately, not fun stuff happening right now. But I think next episode we should get some cool color.
Yeah,
on this thing. So yeah, excited because after this is the longest part. After this, you'll start to see the build start to take shape, and yeah, go from there. I mean, the T case and transfer case will get, or the T case and the transmission will get painted. We got a torque converter coming for that, and then all the bling for the engine. We got that coming. So there's some stuff happening with that, and then it's really gonna start being a puzzle coming back together. So
it's at least the exciting part.
Yeah,
this is just fucking touch the metal over and over and over again with different tools.
It's very daunting and time consuming, and if you're thinking about doing it, I would not recommend it. It's not fun. So
yeah, what you do is whenever you see rust or anything like that, you just go down to O'Reilly's, get yourself a can of that really good rust removing spray paint. Yeah, just spray paint right over
the top
or
of it.
Better yet, just put Mondo right over that so no one can ever tell.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Exactly. And then it looks like a clean truck again.
Or, you could just tell people that you have green rhino liner, blue rhino liner, whatever color you're going to be painting this thing, and just kind of paint over the grime.
Yeah,
and it'll look like textured paint. So
yeah, I mean, it only needs to look good for a few minutes while you show it off,
Exactly,
it's for the buyer to find out later on down the road.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Not really. So.
Yeah, no, I would not.
Yeah, no.
Those are called jokes, okay, everybody? Relax.
Hey, this thing's going to be on Bring a Trailer before you know it, so.
Yeah, to the dump. Whoa.
How you feeling, man? I'm pretty lucky. Say what? I'm fine.
Don't mind me. My respirator not being on. I wasn't actually dizzy there for a second.
Got you.
Oh, the shame.
We're priming, as you can see. So, yep, it's getting primed.
Make sure you guys don't breathe.
Yeah.
Full of fucking birth defects now.
So, pretty well primed. Had it bare metal, so we're gonna leave it for a week while we're working and whatnot. So, just had to get it primed so she don't rust. And then next weekend we're gonna get our paint booth in the air and go from there. Get this thing some color. So we got the frame completely primed. I don't know that we can.
We can't do much more. We're high as hell. We have respirators, but we just stopped using them.
Yeah. It's like so hot right now that respirators aren't helping our case. We're just going to fall over because we don't have the oxygen content we need.
Well, after you've been wearing a respirator for, I don't know, fucking 12 hours straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's a little paint in your lungs?
Yeah, it's fine. We've done it before.
Don't do like that, kid.
It's like 11:30. We've been working since 9:30.
This morning, yeah.
Yeah, we don't take breaks. It's not really mandatory. We look like coal miners. Frame's done, completed. We'll get that ready for you guys in another video. So this is the end. Bam! There's BOB out.
Yeah.